Hi and welcome to our Filmora tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you advanced color grading effects. So let's get into the show. For this purpose, I'm going to import a new media file here, and this is called some poppy file which I have downloaded from some royalty-free website. So let's start just playing this video. I'm going to double click it here. So it is just poppy flowers. So I'm going to just stop this video here, and I'm going to just drag this to my timeline. So what we are going to discuss in this tutorial is about this advanced color tuning. I'm going to click this here. So I'm going to press advanced color tuning here. So you can see a new window opens up, and these are the things we are going to just work on. This is white balance, where I think you can change your work balance. It's okay. This is kind of tint, and 3D lot I'm going to just teach you after some more time. Now let's go for the color. This is called exposure. Okay, and this is like kind of brightness, and contrast. You can add anything whatever you like, depends upon your preference and your priorities. And this is some light effects that you can add into your video. This is like highlights, some shadows in whites and blacks, what all you wanted to do. And this is HSL. HSL stands for hue, saturation and luminance. Filmora allows you to edit with these kind of colors. Now I'm going to just click here red, because in this predominance is red color. Now let's see what happens if we adjust this hue. So I'm going to change this red color roses to green color roses, right? So saturation, and this is luminance, and this is vignette. When I just work on vignette, I want you to observe this four corners, so how it comes, right? So vignette comes here, you can see how it keeps working, right? So I'm not going to adjust vignette further on, it depends upon your preferences. So I'm going to just compare with both the videos. So I want you to press this icon here. It shows side by side, split view, view top. So I'm going to just press side by side comparison, and let me just play on with the video. You can see how different the video is right now from how it was imported into this timeline. You can see how it changes. If you really want to keep the settings, then I want you to press preset. You can save your name in this preset. So right now I'm going to just press OK here. Okay. Now I'm going to just teach you some other stuff also about 3D LUT. Once I'm going to press this thing. So I'm going to go to preset. So this is the video that we have edited here. So you can see how it is right now. Okay, when I double press on this, you can see what is going to happen here. So this symbolizes for all presets. So we're going to go for film. You can see it's Polaroid, black and white, black, blockbuster, Lumo, and now comes 3D LUT. So 3D LUT stands for LUT stands for look up tables. It is actually kind of advanced color grading techniques which is used in many movies. But right now I'm not going to go in depth in all those things. I just want you to see how it is. This is for 007. This is for Batman, how it looks. This is some kind of black and white film. So you will have many. It's actually basic kind of filters. So this is Gravity. This is Game of Thrones, Harry Potter's, and kind of my favorite, Star Wars. I love Star Wars. So this is how you can color grade your videos. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I'm going to meet you in the next one. Bye.